So it's my very last few hours here at Big Cat Rescue before I fly home tomorrow. And I've come in to give out some enrichments to some of my favorite kitties. Here's Simba. Hi, Simba. Hi. What tomato? What? Would you like an enrichment? You want an enrichment? Okay, let's see what we got. I hear that you like our sardini martini. That look good? Yeah? Maybe I can put this over here. Yeah? We're gonna pop this out for you. Yeah? 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 How is that? Yeah? Oh my. You like it? Well, tell me about it. What does it taste like? Huh? What does it taste like? No, you don't say that. Is it really that good? Yeah? That tasty? Oh, did someone spook you? Really? So what you're telling me is I made a... Hi! Your nose looks a little tender, buddy. So we give these cats enrichments. It's also another chance for us to get up close and take a look at them. He looks like he's got a little cut for some irritation. Yeah, do you want me to get a stick and flip that over? Yeah? I'm glad you love it so much. I love you, buddy.